Housing data with Rick Santelli. Hey, Rick.
Yes, new home sales for the month of April. And boy, this number is surprisingly strong. 743,000 seasonally adjusted annualized units of single homes. And that's up almost 11% from a downwardly revised 724 in the rearview mirror. That becomes 670,000. This is the highest pace on new home sales going all the way back. Get this, February of 22. And we weren't expecting it. If you looked at existing home sales for April, it was down 0.5%. Its pace at 4 million seasonally adjusted annualized units was the slowest April pace. And April's important, kind of the beginning of that spring season, going all the way back to 09. And the median price for April in existing home sales, $414,000, was the highest for any median price in April ever. So this really is surprising. And for more detail on why this might have kicked up, let's go to Diana Olick. Diana?
Well, Rick, I'll echo your surprise on this one, because when you look at how these numbers are counted, new home sales are based on signed contracts. So people out shopping during April, that's when the average rate on the 30-year fix went from 6.71% to well over 7% before dropping back a little bit during the end of the month. But what's interesting here, though, and you set a price, so I have a median price of $407,200, down 2.2% year over year. That's what the builders have been talking about. We heard from Toll Brothers this week that they were lowering prices a bit. And then there are the mortgage rate buy downs, which the builders are able to do and which the existing home sellers are not really able to do. So you're also seeing supply is actually up dramatically, up 8.6% year over year. So you're looking at the builders with a lot of supply on their hands. They do have the levers to pull to lower prices and to buy down those mortgage rates. But again, when you saw all the volatility in April, whether it was the stock market after that big tariff announcement, it's really surprising because the builders have told us that they did see a softening in April. So the question is, do we get a real pullback on this in May? We did see that pullback, the revision down in March to much lower than expected. So this is an interesting one. We'll have to watch it going forward. But if you look at the existing market, which has a lot more supply on it and is not moving at all, this number is a real outlier. I just end with that. David?
Okay. Diana, thank you. Diana Olick.